Ashtanga yoga can challenge our cognitive biases and illuminate a path to clear perception. It's one of the most important parts of practice. Understanding bias. Cognitive biases are the mental shortcuts that help twist our realities and speed up our thinking. From the availability heuristic to an anchoring bias, these are the silent architects of flawed decision making. Think someone's always late? Maybe you just notice them more often. There's a reinforcement bias sometimes. It's this kind of thing. But we can use them to uncover truths. Yoga serves as a mirror, reflecting these biases back at us, urging us to confront and dissolve them. Engage in the discipline of breath and asana to unlock self-awareness and to banish these distortions. Awakening awareness. It requires courage to peer through the deceptive veils. Yet, with yoga, we gain a precious lens, one that fosters empathy and understanding. By honing awareness, we embark on a new journey, enriched with clarity and free from collective error like groupthink. Yoga as a beacon. Ashtanga yoga becomes a beacon that guides us beyond our own fallacies. It blends philosophy with action, helping us identify, examine, and adjust our biases, which deepens our grasp on reality. Use Ashtanga as your ally in a quest for truth, steering you towards personal and collective evolution. It's a great use of practice.